Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's Rose Ka Khana with Figaro Olive Oil, I'm going to show you something different. We all love eating halwa, but most often feel guilty because it's loaded with ghee and we feel heavy after it. In today's Sooji Ka Halwa, I'm going to be making it in pure olive oil. It's going to make you feel light and not as heavy and not as guilty as well. You know, using olive oil in everyday cooking is great because it comes with a lot of nutrient benefits and it's good for our health too. So without wasting any time, let's just dive right in and I'll show you how to make the Sooji Ka Halwa.